And welcome to our meteorology segment. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash. And the first thing we're looking at is our standard issue jet streams and surface winds of the whole planet. So here's the east side. Shout out to our viewers from the east side. If you know people in Southeast Asia that haven't been watching our videos, please share with them. Tell your friends and foes, press share, press like, etc. Become a member of the Smash team. Visit the links below the video. Here are the jet streams of the east side. Some funky jet streams here, bringing some cold air into Australia. And blowing a bit backwards over the southwestern Pacific and central Indian Oceans. Also a huge divergence in the jet stream happening here in the central Pacific. Next, jet streams of the west. Shout out to our viewers from this side of the planet. Please tell your friends and foes about the channel. Press share, press like, press subscribe. Pick up some merch. And thanks to all who have. Next, surface winds. There are the surface winds of the west side. Huge anticyclone here over the Azores. It's clear skies over the Azores in all likelihood. Some strong winds in the North Atlantic as well. And the southern coast of Greenland, it's yet another bad day for Viking invasions. Let's continue on to show you the 72-hour precipitation and pressure forecast here. It's based on the GFS model from Tropical Tidbits. Looks like some additional ice storm here. Some wintry mix or something like that headed to the southern Great Lakes region. Northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and a large portion of Michigan showing up with some pink skies there. Some forecast of snow and other. Once again, that's a 72-hour GFS precipitation and pressure forecast for the lower 48. Here's your positive snow depth change based on the same GFS model. Some heavy snows forecasted here for northern South Dakota. Looks like they're expected to get pushing 2 feet of snow there. Also some heavy snows for Washington and Oregon. Once again, that's a 72-hour positive snow depth change based on the GFS model. Next, we're going to show you the European model. Here on windy.com, you can just easily click the next 3 days. There's your 72-hour snow depth forecast for the lower 48. Let's just move this a little bit. There we go. That's the European forecast model for snow depth. Clear that out. Clear that out, I said. It didn't clear out. Anyway, let's continue on. But by the way, that's from windy.com. They've got a great mobile app. Download that. You could save your bacon with it, perhaps. We can expect some flooding when the spring thaws start to hit, as we've got incredible snow mass balance for the Northern Hemisphere for the 6th consecutive winter. Some blizzard warnings happening here on the Upper Peninsula. That's this area right here. And if your county is lit up, just head to weather.gov and click your county. What do we have in Pennsylvania here? Some wind advisories once again, following a very windy day yesterday. Not my favorite form of weather. I am a time trial specialist, and the wind is not particularly friendly. Next, your NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. Brought up the full planet view here. Quite a bit of lightning in the South American area, a little bit over the Atlantic Ocean as well. And how about a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org? I consult it when I hear thunder. And conditions looking pretty calm at the moment. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. We've watched what we say in order to not get banned from the platform and have our videos taken down. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Congratulations to you on realizing the channel exists. If you're a larger Twitch channel, please consider hosting our videos. Tell your friends and foes about us. We've been at 134 followers for who knows how long, weeks, I guess. Twitch.tv/SmashAmash. There's a great mobile app for that. It'll tell you when we go live, as we are now. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. BitChute subscribers, please consider becoming a member of the Smash team, picking up merch, visiting our links, and viewing the videos on YouTube. If you haven't seen our space weather content, it's most of our content, and it's not available on BitChute. Thanks to the Smash team, smashamash.com/Smash team. We're giving additional information to gold and silver subscribers. There's also a bronze free level. There's an email list. Lots of stuff to offer over there at smashamash.com/Smash team. It's just splentacular. Let's get back to meteorology. Here is what's going on over the Pacific Ocean. Earth's largest surface heat sink. Earth's largest body of water, folks. By the way, if you don't know what the temperature of the Pacific Ocean is, at 3 meters, 30 meters, 300 meters, and 1,000 meters, guess what you don't understand? The climate. The climate. Anyway, water has a very high heat latency, and you can measure the atmosphere all day. If you don't know the temperatures of the deep ocean, you don't understand the climate. That's water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Next, your U.S. Doppler radar. We'll briefly zoom out here to show all 50 states. Shout out to our viewers from Alaska and from Hawaii. Yes, I know how to pronounce Hawaii. We've got some moisture sweeping across Pennsylvania at the moment. That's the largest precipitation region in the country. A little bit in North Carolina, a little bit in Nebraska as well. Continuing on to the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at night. It's actually not night, but it's still dark over half the country. 3.9 nanometers radiation is the wavelength. Here is the water vapor map. Dry air over Kansas. Clear skies moving into Missouri. You can tell because when you see this dry mass of air like this, it's almost assuredly clear skies overhead. Here's your recap, the U.S. Doppler radar. We'll let it play all the way through for your viewing pleasure. Here is the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at night. And there is the water vapor. That should clear up any issues you have if the Doppler radar is not giving you the full story. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for leaving a comment. Red Split Rail Fence. I'll have been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.